In today's video, I'm going to be changing out the half shaft, or formerly known as the CV axle, in my 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer. Mind you, this is the passenger side. I did not have to replace the driver's side, so I didn't. I did find a flaw though, and that is my wheel bearing has gone bad, so I'm going to be changing out the wheel bearing at some time after the winter season has come past. Other than that, I tried to show you as much as I could, and hopefully you like it. I'm just changing out a half shaft. Most people have trouble getting the shaft out of the hub. Pulling the splines out is the hardest part, because you have to be careful to pull it out, and it's just like... So it's really hard to get out. Other than that, it was a really straightforward process. It took me only about 30 minutes, and I'm surprised at how quick it took me. I thought it was going to be rustier than all hell, because that thing has never been apart in its life. Without further ado, I am going to take my half shaft out, and we're going to send it on.
Tries the dealer to tell me about up here. Under here, since I'm not gonna hold the camera, I'm gonna pry against the case and pop this out. And you want a drain pan. So you're going to drop some trans fluid no matter what. You do have to use some significant force to get that off and push it against the case. I got very wet, and that is very dark. So yeah, let's keep going with this. Now they look identical on the ends. You just want to keep pushing it until it's all the way in. We're going to line up the splines.
Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Well, now that the video's passed, I hope you enjoyed watching it, and as all things, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I do like making car videos, but I also do a little other things around the bit with cameras, cars, and maybe my own fashions. So, if anything, just keep up.